Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through Airtable records trying to find specific information? This tutorial instantly transforms your data chaos into clarity, showing you how to filter records like a pro. We'll walk you through setting up precise filters in Airtable, from selecting fields to applying conditions, ensuring you only see the records that matter most. All right, let's dive in. First things first, we need to get to where the magic happens, your Airtable workspace. So open up your web browser and just head to airtable.com. Once you're there, of course, to access your data, you'll need to log in. Go ahead and sign into your Airtable account with your usual credentials. Now that you're signed in, let's navigate to the specific area where you want to work. You'll want to open up the particular base and then the table that holds the records you're looking to filter. Find your project, click on it, and then select the right tab. With your table open, now to start organizing this data, we need to activate the filtering tool. Look for the filter button in the toolbar. It's usually pretty easy to spot, often near the top of your screen. Go on and give that a click. Once you click filter, a menu will pop up. This is where we tell Airtable what specific piece of information we want to narrow down. You'll need to choose the field or column you want to filter by. So if you're trying to find all tasks with a certain status, you'd select the status field. Maybe it's a date field or a category. Pick the one that's most relevant to what you're trying to achieve. After picking the field, you need to define the rule for how Airtable should look at that data. Next, you'll select a filter condition. This tells Airtable how to compare things. Do you want records where the field is a certain value? Or perhaps it is not something. Maybe it contains specific text or is greater than a particular number. This choice is critical for getting precise results. And here's the really important part. Now, with the field and the rule set, we need to give Airtable the exact value to match. You'll either enter a value by typing it in, or choose it from a drop-down list depending on the field type. If you picked status is, you might type completed. If it's a date field, you'd select a date from a calendar. This is the crucial bit where you define what Airtable should precisely look for. You know, having optimized data retrieval for hundreds of users, I can tell you that getting this step right is what truly transforms your data search into an instant find. Time to see your hard work pay off. Once your field, condition, and value are all set, Airtable will often apply the filter automatically. If not, you might see a clear Apply Filter or Done button. Just click that, and just like that, you'll see your table transform. You'll immediately see only the records that match your filter criteria. All the irrelevant data temporarily disappears, leaving you with just the specific information you needed front and center. It's incredibly satisfying to cut through the noise, isn't it? Your filtering needs might change, and Airtable makes it super easy to adapt. If you want to tweak your filter, just click on it again to adjust the field, condition, or value. Or, if you're done with it completely, simply click the X button right on the filter label itself to clear it. That flexibility is key for managing your data dynamically. So there you have it. You've gone from sifting through overwhelming data to instantly isolating and managing the exact information you need for efficient decision-making and focused productivity. No more endless scrolling, just crystal clear data at your fingertips. Go give it a try.